Welcome to AlphaCars in Ural of New England. My name is Ian. We've got Mauro here, and he has a very special item for us to have for a little while. This is the Ural Neo 500. And Mauro, you're dropping it off here for us to kind of try out and show off for a couple weeks. What's been your experience with it? Give us some of your background.
So we got these units, they're pre-production units. I got them about a month ago into Florida at my facility. So I've had the opportunity to ride this one. I've got a little over 500 miles on this particular unit. We've been traveling Florida, just getting out there, showing people this new product we have out that we're super excited about. Great family-orientated motorcycle, adventure-orientated motorcycle. If you want to bring the dog for a ride, perfect. We're trying to get more of the younger client, new riders, people that maybe thought motorcycles weren't for them because they're used to a two-wheeled motorcycle. This offers a variety of options. You can go grocery shopping, you can bring the wife, you can bring the kids, you can bring the dog. Very utilitarian.
The price point's going to be under $15,000.
Yep.
So that's a great price point for something like this. And it's a modern bike. You hop on and ride. I've had a little bit of time on it so far, and it's like very easy to ride, very not intimidating, right? The legacy models are awesome, but there's maybe some tricks or some things you got to know to fully experience it. Whereas this, I just hopped on and went right around, had a passenger, and it was awesome. So yeah, thanks for bringing it down, Mauro. And I guess Justin's behind the camera. Thanks for filming, Justin. Let's go around the bike a little bit and just show a few of the modern things. Obviously, all the lighting's on right now, so it's all LED lighting. It does have 5 speeds, right? So
yep.
5 forward gears, mechanical reverse gear. The lighting's really cool. You can see the Ural Neo lit up in the front there. And what have you seen, Mauro? What feedback have you got from people?
So they're very impressed about how it feels. It's very nimble, very light, very easy to control, to handle. The motor is plenty peppy. It's 500 cc, plenty of power for this bike here.
And some exciting news, this bike will be here for the next 2 weeks here at AlphaCars in Boxborough, Massachusetts. And if you want to come check it out, sit on it, even ride it around our facility, then come on down, check it out. From the date of this video posting, we'll have it for 2 weeks.
Yeah, super excited. Give you guys the opportunity. You guys will be one of the first dealers in the country to have a unit for people to come. We have done a couple demo rides in Florida, but this is the first out-of-state kind of meet and greet for potential clients to come out and check out the bike. I brought you my favorite color. This is the blue one, but it will be offered in 4 different colors to start. We have this color here, we have a burgundy, we have a gray, and then we have an orange and white. Kind of exciting colorway to start. We'll also have a demo tour that we are super excited about. We'll be starting that here in the next couple months, and we'll be up here again for all the Ural enthusiasts and motorcycle enthusiasts to come out, bring your family, try them out yourself. Probably early summer we'll be in this area, but stay tuned to our social media, your social media. We'll get those announcements out.
Yeah, and we'll have a whole event around that. So we'll have refreshments and snacks here, other cool things going on. So we do like hosting events. Super happy to have people experience the new Neo shortly. So, but Mauro, thank you for bringing this bike.
Thank you.
Thank you. How far did you just drive to come here?
So we just came up. We home base just north of Daytona. So we drove up.
It's over 20 hours.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
And
okay.
So.
Well, thanks for doing that. And everybody, thanks for watching. Like I said, this will be here for the next 2 weeks from today's date. So come on down, check it out. We'll be happy to show it to you. And this has been Ian and Mauro from our Boxborough facility. Thanks for watching, and leave a like on the video if you're excited about the Neo.
Thanks, guys.